Why don't seniors in my town use GPS? Because they already found their destination, their bed, and even installed rails to keep them from rolling around. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on bed rails for seniors near me. Tip 1. Consider the type of bed rail. Bed rails for seniors come in different types, including fixed, adjustable, and portable ones. Fixed rails typically attach to the bed frame and remain in a stationary position, offering a high level of stability and security. Adjustable bed rails can be lengthened or shortened based on individual needs, while portable bed rails are ideal for travel. Examine your particular needs before buying. Tip 2. Look for easy assembly. Seniors may not have the physical strength or ability to assemble complicated bed rails. Therefore, look for a model that can be easily installed without the need for extensive tools or effort. Some bed rails are designed to slide under the mattress and are held in place by the weight of the mattress for added simplicity in assembly. Tip 3. Prioritize the safety features. The main focus of bed rails is to provide safety and prevent falls. Look for models that have sturdy construction, non-slip grips, and locks to secure them in place. Some bed rails also come with straps for additional safety. Tip 4. Consider the height and weight of the user. The effectiveness of a bed rail largely depends on the height and weight of the senior. Taller and heavier seniors may require larger and sturdier bed rails to ensure adequate protection. Tip 5. Ensure bed compatibility. Ensure the chosen bed rail is compatible with the user's bed. Some bed rails are designed for specific bed types, sizes and heights. For instance, certain models may not work effectively with adjustable beds or exceptionally high mattresses. Tip 6. Look for padded bed rails. To add comfort and prevent bruises or injuries, consider padded rails. These are designed with a soft, cushion-like material on the parts that come into contact with the user's body to enhance comfort while sleeping. Tip 7. Consider the mobility of the senior. If the elderly individual often gets out of bed independently, it might be wise to choose a bed rail with a retractable or swing-down design. This allows the user to lower the rail when they want to get out of bed, and then bring it back up for safety while sleeping. Tip 8. Think about the visual appeal. Seniors will appreciate a bed rail that doesn't make their bed look like a hospital bed. There are models available in various colors and designs to match a range of bedroom decors, helping to maintain a homely feel. Tip 9. Consider extra features. Some bed rail models come with considerable features like pockets for storing personal items, night lights for visibility, or attached trays for convenience. Though not necessities, these features improve the user experience. Tip 10. Ask for recommendations. If you are confused about choosing the right bed rails, ask for recommendations from healthcare professionals or people you know who have used bed rails. They can offer valuable insights and share their experiences. Tip 11. Always check user reviews and ratings. Before making a purchase, read reviews from other users. This will give you a better understanding of the product's performance, reliability, and durability.